Hey everyone, welcome to Opening Doors. I'm Mortgage Pro John, and today we have ourselves another two-parter. We're going to be talking about loan estimates. A loan estimate is a document with all the details of your mortgage, including the costs associated with your mortgage. It's going to help you better understand your closing costs. So let's get into it. This is what the first page of your loan estimate is going to look like. It's going to have all the details of your transaction right at the top. It's going to have your name. Make sure your name is spelled accurately. Right beneath your name right here is going to have your current address. I did not put one in there, but make sure your address is accurate. It's also going to have the date issued. That's important because this loan estimate is required to be issued within 3 days of your application. So this is the date that it's issued. It's also going to have the property address, whether this is a refinance or a purchase. It's going to have the subject property address. It's going to have your loan. It's going to have your sale price right here. Your loan term. So whether this is a 15-year, a 20-year, a 30-year, it's going to be right here. What type of transaction this is a purchase transaction. If it was a refinance, it would also say refinance right here. Your product, this is a fixed rate. So this is where you would see and make sure that this is going to be a fixed rate versus a variable rate. It also will have your loan type right here. Conventional, FHA, VA. If it's a different type, if it's a USDA or a CHFA, this box will be checked off and we'll have those details right here. But in this circumstance, I checked off conventional. We'll have your loan ID, also known as your loan number right here, and your rate lock. So whether your rate is locked in or not. In this case, yes, rate lock is good until 12/22/21. Keep in mind, all numbers that we are going over are all fabricated for the purpose and sole purpose of going through a loan estimate and really explaining, and so you have understanding. As we scroll down, so this is a $400,000 sales price with 5% down. That's $20,000 down. That's leaving a loan amount right here. So this is where you're going to find your loan amount, along with your interest rate and your principal and interest payment. Keep in mind, that's just the principal and interest. So that's your principal and interest paid on the $380,000 at a 3.25% interest rate over the course of 30 years. As you scroll down, you can see that this has no prepayment penalty. There's no balloon payments. And here's where you're going to get more into your mortgage payment. So this is going to show you once again your principal and interest, your mortgage insurance. Mortgage insurance is when you have less than 20% down on your sales price, or FHA. So that's going to be your mortgage insurance. That's going to be the amount right there. And then it has your estimated escrow. So that's going to include right here. It's going to show you your property taxes included. Yes. Homeowners insurance included. Yes. So a combination of those come to $480 when you take your escrow on a monthly basis and your mortgage insurance and add those to your principal and interest payment. You're going to get your estimated total monthly payment. Keep in mind, your homeowner's insurance, you're going to shop, so this payment may fluctuate by the time you get your actual premium in place, ready for closing. As you scroll down here, you will see your estimated cash to close. This number is a calculation of your down payment, the $20,000 in this case, plus your closing costs, which we will get into in the next episode. And then you would minus any deposits that you have made on your contract. So in this case, I'm using an example of a $5,000 earnest money deposit. So with a $20,000 down payment plus your $10,000 in closing costs, that brings you to $30,995 minus your $5,000 deposit. That gets you to $25,995. You can see your total estimated closing costs are inclusive of $5,187 in loan costs and $5,808 in other costs. And those are your escrow and prepaids, which we will get into, as I said, in the next episode. But for now, this is what the first page of your loan estimate is going to look like. It's going to have all the details of your personal information, the details of your loan type, term, product type, and sales price. Make sure all of that is accurate. As we get into the next episode, I'll also go over what to look for when you are shopping lender to lender. But for now, that's all I got today. Thank you so much. Remember to like, follow, share, and subscribe. I'm Mortgage Pro John with Opening Doors, where buying a home is more than just a dream.